In a country still healing from years of conflict, displacement, and broken promises, leadership in South Sudan must take a new path, one marked not by power and pride, but by example and accountability. Today, the people of South Sudan are not only hungry for peace, they are desperate for truth, justice, and leadership that earn trust, not demand it. Too often, those in position of authority have failed to lead with integrity. Corruption, tribal favoritism, and lack of transparency have created a deep sense of betrayal among the citizens. The result is a nation where the people no longer believe in the word of their leaders, because those words are rarely followed by action. But this can change though. True leadership begins with setting the standard. A good leader does not only speak about peace, they practice it. A real leader does not only call for unity, they treat all citizens with fairness and dignity. When those in power begin to hold themselves accountable first, others will follow. That is the power of leading by example. In South Sudan, trust has been broken many times. Communities have been divided. Promises have been made only to be forgotten, but trust can be rebuilt. And it began with simple action: transparency in government spending, fair justice in the court, the protection of all ethnic groups and public officials who are willing to face consequences for their failures. Accountability is not about punishing people, it is about creating a culture where leadership is a responsibility, not a privilege. A culture where the people can see results, not just hear speeches. A culture where leaders can earn respect because of what they do, not the title they carry. Imagine South Sudan where ministers lie modestly, where soldiers are paid on time, where no tribe is above another, and where no warlord is allowed to use the people as weapon. That vision is not impossible, but it requires leadership that lead by example. South Sudan's future depends on trust, and trust can only grow where there is accountability. Now is the time for a new kind of leadership. Now is the time to lead by example. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing and share the message. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.